Hello friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain new topic from chemistry, chemical bonding. So what is chemical bonding means? For acquiring stability of two atoms, the chemical bonding takes place. Okay, and if we see here, the subtopic in chemical bonding is Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. And here, what about Lewis dot structure means? For example, if I take nitrogen, so nitrogen is N, and according to Bohr's theory, the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2, 5. Okay, and if we represent in an atom like this, in the first shell 2 electrons, next shell 5 electrons. So like this, nitrogen atom is drawn, nitrogen. And Lewis dot structure means here outermost shell has 5 electrons, and this 5 electrons is known as valence electrons, and this valence electrons is represented like this: N, 2 dots, 2 dots, dot. This is the Lewis dot structure. Here, what is the fact for representing like this dots, and this is called as Lewis dot structure, which means the valence electrons is represented like this, and this nitrogen is 5A group, and the group number represents like this valence electrons. Okay, and if we can check, take phosphorus in that group only. In that group only take phosphorus. So like this, phosphorus is there, and according to Bohr's theory, phosphorus is 285, and here valence electrons is 5. And if we represent like this, it is also a Lewis dot structure. Okay, and here this 5 dots represents the group number also. Okay, we should not consider A. Okay, so this is the Lewis dot structure. And here this Lewis dot structure is also known as Lewis atomic theory of valency. Okay, so here how to calculate valency means V is equals to number of 8 minus number of valence electrons according to Lewis atomic theory. Okay, and this Lewis atomic theory when failed to explain about bond energy and bond length. What are the demerits of Lewis atomic theory? First demerit is it failed to explain bond energy and bond length. So what is bond energy means? If we consider H2O molecule, what is the structure? OHO. This is the structure. And if we consider OH bond, what is bond energy means? The energy required to break the bond between OH atoms. What is bond energy means? The energy required to break the bond between these two atoms. And what about bond length means? The length between these two atoms in a bond. Okay, so this is the bond energy and bond length value. And the next demerit is it is failed to explain the shapes of molecules, and it failed to explain the shapes of the molecules. For and that theory is VBT. This VBT is nothing but valency bond theory. Valency bond theory. For taking these two reasons, taking these two demerits of Lewis atomic theory, the next theory is proposed, VBT. This is known as valency bond theory, and this is introduced by London and Hitler. London and Hitler, and developed by Pauling and Slater. This VBT, valency bond theory, is proposed by London and Hitler and developed by Pauling and Slater. Okay. So what about VBT means? What about VBT? VBT. So VBT, in this partial emerging atomic orbitals. So in this VBT, if we consider the partial emerging atomic orbitals, for becoming stable, one process is there, that is known as overlapping. Overlapping. So overlapping is nothing but, if we take SS overlapping. SS overlapping means, take this as a s orbital, and here one electron is there, and take this is another s orbital, one electron is there, s orbital, s orbital. Okay, what is overlapping means? For becoming stable, these two atoms is combined. If I take H atom, hydrogen valency is 1, or valency electron is 1. For becoming stable, it takes another electron, that become 2 electrons. For becoming stable like this, it can be overlapped. Like this, it can be overlapped, one electron, and this is another electron. And this overlapping is known as SS overlap. Okay, for becoming stable, hydrogen takes SS overlap. Okay, and thus hydrogen become H2, and this is stable. Okay, so this is the overlapping. For this overlapping, if you see, half-filled orbitals will be considered. What is that? Half-filled orbitals is considered. Half-filled orbitals is considered, and this is one of the half-filled, and this is one of the half-filled. How means? According to Hund's rule, take this as s orbital in hydrogen, only one electron is there, means like this. We want another opposite spin, and this is the another opposite spin. So this is the partial emerging atomic orbitals. Okay. So this is the overlapping process. But in this, you will get doubt. Here, according to VBT, there are 3 orbitals, 3 overlaps, which means SS, PP, SP. These are the common overlaps. But here, which is more stronger? Which means SS orbital is the more stronger. Which is less than SS means SP overlap. Less than SP means PP overlap. This is the stronger or energy decreasing energies. Okay, so this is the overlapping process, and these are the known as postulates of VBT. Postulates means main points. Okay, so these are the some postulates, and this is the today topic. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.